Cloud Assail Soft India PVT Ltd is hiring people for the role of developer. They are giving package of 5 lakhs 20,000. Freshers can apply for this job role. Let's see some of the information about this role and what are all the eligibility criteria for this job role. About the company, want an opportunity to be a part of Moonshoot initiate to bring about seismic shift in cloud. Cloud Agile is a mode startup building a different breed of cloud management and migration platform headquartered in Boca Raton. FL Cloud Agile is looking for employees for its Hyderabad office who are passionate about solving large scale challenges. The eligibility are 2020 or 2021 batch, BE or BTech or MTech any stream. You should have great PH score. You can take PH test in eLitmus after creating your account in eLitmus. Good academic record. You should have good academic record. Cloud is currently hiring for two roles. The first role is junior software or backend developer. The key skills required are Java or Python. The second role is junior cloud engineer. The key skills required are cloud basics, knowledge on any cloud provider such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc. Let's see the job description given by the company. Research new concept, implement prototypes, in-depth analysis, design and plan to convert prototypes into production-ready systems and services, assist and collaborate with team in planning sprint tasks, tracking and reporting the status, addition of new features to high traffic applications. The desirable skills required are sound RDBMS concept. You should have a knowledge in DBMS and RDBMS concept, and they have given two important notes. The above mentioned CTC will be applicable post successful completion of training of 2 months. They will be giving a 2 months training and you should complete it, and they will be giving a stipend of 30,000 per month. Company stipend considerable effect in training new employees through direct mentoring. Candidates willing to commit to a minimum of 18 months need only apply. The location given is Hyderabad. The last date to apply is Tuesday. 1 day is left, so you can apply as soon as possible. The drive date is 24th June 2021. The drive location given is online, remote. You can apply. You can attend the interview through online. Let's see. After clicking this login to apply button, you will be redirected to this page where if you have eLitmus account, you can register. You can log in with the account, or else if you don't have eLitmus account, you can sign up. After that, you can fill the details of your skills, academics, and your resume. After that, you can attend the interview on the date 24th June 2021. All the best for your interview preparation. Apply link will be given in the description box. You can use the applying link to apply for this job role. And also, if you have any queries, you can contact me via the Telegram. I will be giving the Telegram link given below. You can use it.